Need to combine multiple scanned pages into one PDF using NAPS2. In this tutorial, I'll show you the complete process, from scanning or importing your pages to saving them as a single PDF document. It's a simple workflow that's perfect for receipts, reports, contracts, or any multi-page document. To get started, make sure all the pages you want are loaded into NAPS2. You can scan each page one at a time using the Scan button, or if you've already scanned them, you can import the image files into the program. Yeah, either method works just fine. Once all your pages are in NAPS2, review the thumbnail list and make sure they're in the correct order. If a page needs to be moved, simply drag and drop it into the right position. I mean, it's much easier to organize everything before creating the final PDF. Before saving, check whether any pages need to be rotated or removed. If you notice a blank page or a page that's upside down, use the editing tools to fix it. Taking a few seconds here helps create a cleaner final document. Now click the Save PDF button. Choose where you'd like to save the file, enter a name for your document, and then click Save. NAPS2 will combine every page currently in the document into one PDF file. The process usually finishes in just a few seconds. Open the PDF after it's saved and scroll through each page to make sure everything appears in the correct order. If you need to make any changes, simply return to NAPS2, update the document, and save it again. And that's how to combine multiple pages into one PDF with NAPS2. Once you know the workflow, creating organized multi-page PDFs becomes quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.